to 702 Lighting. My name is Craig Lake, and I am here to talk to you about the 702 Lighting MSDPRO / CCT Path Module 1. This is the module here. It comes in 2700 or 3000K or 4000 / 5000K. So this one here, you're going to be able to adjust your color temperature and your output. Right here is the dimming module on the side. You'll see a little D. 3 blinks is your low. That's going to be about 200 lumen. 2 blinks is medium. That's going to be 300 lumen plus. 1 blink is high. That's going to be 500 lumen plus. This should be brighter than most of what you're going to see in the industry. This will come out of the box programmed to 300 lumens. So on the other side, there's a very small C, and you can change your color temperature there. So there's your 1 blink is your 3000K. 2 blinks is your 2700K. The other module will come 5000K out of the box, and you can adjust to 4000. This one will come 3000 out of the box. You can adjust to 2700. You can approach your local distributor about pre-programming or pre-threading some of these for you. Some charges may apply, so make sure you check with your distributor on that. With this path light, you're going to be able to get some different looks. Right now, we only have 2 hats available, but as we go, there will be more hats. But just with the risers that we have in front of us here, 4 color temperatures that are available, the outputs and the hats, you've got about 208 options just with what's here and 1 more module. We do have a drop-in module coming soon, but for right now, the only module available for our Pathlight kits is the MSDPRO / CCT.